Good morning. I am Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher. This video for class 8 networking. In previous video we discuss what is network, how many type of network and feature of network. In this class we discuss about networking techniques, which device use creating a network. When we use computer connection with the help of wired is called wired networking technology. First, we use Ethernet cables. Ethernet cable is one of the most popular form of network cable used in wired network. This cable resembles a phone cable but is larger than the phone cable and has 8 wired Ethernet cable connect with various devices such as PC, personal computer, routers, and switches within a local area network. The advantage of this cable is that they have less power consumption, but the drawback with this cable is that the computer required an Ethernet adapter card on the motherboard to connect the Ethernet cable, where we use connect RJ45 connector. These cable also have their limitation, both in the distance that they can stretch without losing signal quality and their durability. There are mainly two types of Ethernet cable: crossover cable and straight through cables. Cross cable is basically designed for connecting two computers without a hub or routers. A straight through cables is identical to each other. It is used to connect a computer to a router or a switch or a modems. Now we discuss coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is used to transmission of video, communication, signal and audios. It is mainly used by the cable television industry to connect TVs to a cable TV services. However, this cable can be used in network and high bandwidth and greater transmission capacity. A coaxial cable consists of central copper wire surrounded by insulators and then shielded of braided wire. It is relatively expensive and can transmit data at higher rate. It also provides better protection against electromagnetic disturbance. The only advantage and disadvantage associated with coaxial cable is its high installation and maintenance cost. The two main types of coaxial cable: best band coaxial cable and broadband coaxial cable. Baseband coaxial cable support quick transmission of a single at a time. It is mainly used for LAN and broadband coaxial cable and transmit multiple signal at the same time, and it is used to longer distance. Now optical fiber. Optical fiber is a popular technology that has larger capacity to transfer data at a very high speed. A fiber optic cable consists of central glass core containing a bundle of glass treated surrounded by several layers of protective materials. The glass threads are capable of transmitting data covered into light signals at extremely high speed. Optic fiber cable highly resistant to a single interface and provide better data transmit by providing high bandwidth. Presently, a fiber optic cable is a popular technology for local area network, but in the failure, almost all communications will empty fiber optic. However, it is uh, freeless and that maintenance cost is high. Now we discuss about wireless networking technology. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a communication technology that use low power radio waves to connect electronic device wirelessly. It allow user to talk and share information like voice, music, and videos. It establishes short-range communication between phone, computers, and other network devices. It is mainly used for personal area network with a maximum transmission rate of up to uh, 240 meters depending on the Bluetooth version of in use. This technology eliminates the use of capable cable and adapter. The presence of Bluetooth icons indicates that the device is enabled with Bluetooth. Now we discuss about infrared. Infrared technology is a short-range communication technology that covers approximately 5 meters of distance. It is used to exchange information between computer, cellular, telephones, and uh, fax of by emitting infrared waves through infrared leads. Infrared communication can take place only between two devices at a time. Infrared between network computers network signal cannot presence wall or obstruction and work only in a direct line or a single. These waves or singles are focused into a narrow beams through a plastic lens with which is further covered into electronic signals by a receiver's remote control is the most common example of infrared communication as like our television remote and many type of remoted devices. Now we discuss about Wi-Fi technology. It is used mostly to this. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It creates a wireless local area network that use radio waves to send the information. A secure, reliable, and fast wireless connection it established between the electronic devices and the internet. By using this technology, the device required a wireless adapter connected to them to capture the Wi-Fi signals. Wi-Fi offers for flowing advantage. Wi-Fi has replaced the wired mediums kept completely and can be used to connect the internet anywhere at any time. Now, it respectively expensive can also be accessed at places where cable cannot be installed, and one can connect multiple devices through Wi-Fi. However, some limitations through Wi-Fi. It has high power consumption, and it is slower than the wired medium. The transmission break or slow down when the noise interface means this technology used for computer connect with each other with the help of wired and wireless mediums.